Today, we're diving into the easiest way to make money on YouTube right now. Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Alright, so affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and most effective ways to start earning money on YouTube, even if you don't have a ton of subscribers yet. The idea is pretty straightforward. You promote products or services from other companies, and you earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Now let's break down some advanced strategies to really make this work for you. 1. Create review videos. One of the best ways to promote affiliate products is by creating review videos. People love watching reviews before they make a purchase, so if you can provide honest and detailed reviews, you're more likely to earn their trust and get them to buy through your link. When creating a review video, be sure to actually use the product if possible. Show it in action, talk about its features, and discuss both the pros and cons. This honesty will build trust with your audience and increase the chances of them clicking on your affiliate link. You can also compare the product to others in the same category to highlight its advantages. Remember to include personal anecdotes or experiences with the product to make your review more relatable and authentic. Another tip is to break down the review into sections like usability, design, value for money, and performance. This makes your review more structured and easier to follow. 2. Make demonstration videos. In addition to reviews, demonstration videos are another powerful tool. These videos show the product in use, highlighting how it works and what makes it special. For example, if you're promoting a software tool, create a step-by-step tutorial showing how to use it. If it's a physical product, demonstrate its functionality. The key is to show your audience how the product can solve their problems or make their lives easier. This practical demonstration can be a huge selling point and drive more clicks to your affiliate link. Don't forget to address common questions or concerns viewers might have about the product. This can help clear up any doubts and make them more likely to purchase through your link. Consider creating a series of demonstration videos focusing on different aspects of the product. This keeps your content fresh and provides more opportunities to include your affiliate links. 3. Cloak your affiliate links. When you share your affiliate links, it's a good idea to cloak them. Cloaking your links means making them look cleaner and less suspicious. Instead of a long, messy URL, you can use tools like Pretty Links or Bitly to create a short, branded link. For example, instead of sharing a link that looks like this, www.productwebsite.com/affiliate ID 12345, you can share something like www.yourwebsite.com/name of the product. This looks much more professional and trustworthy, increasing the likelihood that people will click on it. It also makes it easier to remember and share your links across different platforms. Make sure to track your cloaked links to see which ones perform the best. This helps you understand which products or content resonate most with your audience. 4. Use an email landing page with bonuses. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Instead of just dropping your affiliate link in the video description, be smart about it. Create an email landing page that offers a bonus for signing up through your link. This could be anything from a free ebook, a discount code, or exclusive access to additional content. The idea is to provide extra value to your viewers, giving them an incentive to use your affiliate link. Not only do you get a commission from the sale, but you also build your email list, which is incredibly valuable for future marketing efforts. To make your landing page even more effective, include testimonials or reviews from people who have benefited from your bonuses. This adds social proof and encourages more signups. You can use tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Email Octopus to create and manage your email landing pages. These platforms offer easy-to-use templates and automation features to streamline the process. 5. Create bonuses using PLR or AI. If you're wondering how to create those bonuses, don't worry. You don't have to spend a ton of time or money on this. You can use PLR, private label rights content, or AI tools to create high-quality bonuses quickly and easily. PLR content is pre-written material that you can purchase and modify to fit your needs. You can find PLR ebooks, articles, and more on sites like plrdatabase.net or IDPLR. Simply rebrand the content, add your own touch, and offer it as a bonus. Alternatively, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate unique content. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, you could use AI to create a personalized workout plan or nutrition guide to offer as a bonus. This adds tremendous value and gives your audience a compelling reason to sign up through your link. You can also create video tutorials, checklists, or templates as bonuses. The key is to offer something that complements the product you're promoting and enhances its value. 6. Optimize your video descriptions. Don't underestimate the power of a well-optimized video description. This is where you can include your cloaked affiliate links, email landing page links, and a brief summary of what your video covers. Make sure to include relevant keywords to help your video rank higher in search results. Also, add timestamps for different sections of your video to improve user experience and keep viewers engaged longer. Your video description should be clear and concise, making it easy for viewers to find the information they need. Include a call to action, encouraging viewers to check out your affiliate links or sign up for your bonuses. Consider adding links to related videos or playlists to keep viewers on your channel longer. This can increase your watch time and improve your overall channel performance. Leverage social proof. People are more likely to buy something if they see others have had a positive experience with it. So, encourage your audience to leave comments and share their own experiences with the product. You can also include testimonials in your video or description. If you have a website or blog, showcase user reviews there and link back to your YouTube video. This social proof can significantly boost your affiliate sales. Another way to leverage social proof is by featuring user-generated content in your videos. Ask your audience to send in photos or videos of them using the product, and showcase these in your review or demonstration videos. Consider creating a dedicated section in your videos where you highlight viewer feedback and experiences. This not only builds trust, but also encourages more interaction from your audience. Number 8, consistently update your content. Products and services change over time, so it's important to keep your content up to date. If you've reviewed a product that's received new features or updates, create a follow-up video. This shows your audience that you're committed to providing accurate and current information, which helps build trust and keeps your content relevant. You can also create comparison videos, pitting updated versions of products against older ones to highlight improvements and new features. This not only keeps your content fresh, but also provides additional value to your audience. Consider revisiting older videos and updating the descriptions with new information or links to follow-up content. This ensures that your entire content library remains valuable and relevant. 9. Engage with your audience. Building a relationship with your audience is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content based on their suggestions. This engagement helps build a loyal community and makes your viewers more likely to trust your recommendations. Plus, the more you interact with your audience, the more YouTube's algorithm will favor your videos, helping you reach even more potential viewers. Consider using community polls on YouTube's Community tab to get direct feedback and engage with your audience in real time. This not only strengthens your relationship with them, but also provides valuable insights into their preferences and needs. 10. Use analytics to improve. Finally, use YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention. This data can help you understand what's working and what's not, so you can continually improve your content and strategies. Experiment with different types of videos, calls to action, and promotional methods to see what drives the most clicks and conversions for your affiliate links. Don't be afraid to test new ideas and iterate based on what the data tells you. The more you refine your approach, the more successful your affiliate marketing efforts will be. Consider using A/B testing for your video thumbnails and titles to see which versions perform better. This can provide valuable insights into what resonates most with your audience. Alright guys, those are some advanced yet easy strategies for making money on YouTube through affiliate marketing. Remember, the key is to provide value to your audience, be honest in your reviews and demonstrations, and always look for ways to improve and optimize your content. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.